맛있어. 먹어봐. 이게 그렇게 많이 하면 안 되지.
Need some.
Can you give me it, please?
새우한밥. 애들 거는 상추 옆에다가 따로 이렇게 주고, 상추, 남편 거, 제 거, 고기.
Give me a piece. Give me a piece. Give me a piece.
이렇게 해서 먹어보겠습니다.
I am a princess.
먹자. I'm hungry. I'm hungry too.
Leo. Should have filled it with sparkling water.
그래서 오늘은
Dad,
This is good.
Daddy,
This is really good.
really good.
what on my hand is that?
막 만들었는데 이번에 진짜 맛있게 됐어요.
Bro?
You wrap like little rice, lettuce, and meat all in one shot. It tastes good.
맛있죠?
You make the best food in town.
In town, I think she makes the best food in the whole country. Best food in the world, in the universe. All the aliens are gonna see our YouTube channel and then come over here so that you eat.
Invade.
And steal all our yummy food.
These are, I don't know. These are all garbage. These are all expired. No.
This one is okay.
Never give up.
This
This is all going in the garbage.
This one is okay. 2024, I said it's okay. 24 is fine. 24 is fine. 어제 분명히 설거지 한 거 같은데 원점으로 다시 돌아왔어요. 설거지 다시 시작. How old is he?
He is 6, gonna be 7.
6? Really? Does
He
he?
loves the raw salmon. He loves the tuna.
Oh
he
my
loves it all.
goodness.
Yeah.
Good. My son is 9, and I,
Oh,
I make
we'll move
this
the
all
wine bottles
time.
out of the
No,
camera.
you're fine. You're
You're gonna be
fine.
like, clink,
I
clink,
like. You're not gonna keep it. No, we have a real baby. Does it taste like mayo? Can I see the
No,
mayo?
but not being able to have
No, no,
mayo,
the bottle.
it's a decent alternative,
Yeah.
you know?
It's really way healthier. I want to see what's in
You know
it.
that
It tastes like cardboard boxes.
Hellman's makes a vegan one.
Really?
Yeah, and it's really good.
Like this.
I thought that was from Target for some reason.
No, it was from Whole Foods. You eat this, right?
Every Asian has
Food is so
the
good.
sriracha.
Yeah, I love
Nah,
it.
bro.
You gotta throw some stuff. Have you had sriracha ketchup?
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. It's perfect for like chicken tenders.
Yeah. Let's get going.
Okay.
Okay.
She's done.
I didn't realize.
channel.
Yeah. You're next
He's just not sure. I feel like I should probably stay clear of that. I don't need more.
So this is
Okay,
really
want me to
sticky.
squeeze between y'all? Because your stuff is in there?
Oh, we
Put the chairs together. You could sit like half and half.
No, I can stand. I just
Okay.
want
Stand is actually better to make
Yeah.
it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so you want to stand?
The wine's kicking in. Now I gotta stand.
Who of us is high and who
No,
of
I'm
us
not
is
trying
dry?
to stand up.
We're all
We can all
something.
stand because Bridget's standing.
Yeah.
So it's
So
So now there's
actually,
room.
Okay.
on just half of it?
like 2/3. So leave the top part.
Is it on?
Yeah.
In the beginning.
I think I need more rice.
Wait, when did you start
What?
recording? Hold
Make
on,
it
I'm
really
stealing your
clear.
friend.
Oh, okay.
Because we don't want too much rice.
Oh, okay.
Smush
You
the
do
rice.
put
You
your
want
hands in the
every
water.
grain.
Do you have to?
no me.
If it's too sticky, then you can put your fingers
How much are
in.
you supposed
All my rice I left in the water.
So first one we're making is the seaweed outside, but when you go to restaurant, they have it like inside our rolls, the rice outside. We can make that after.
Oh,
yeah.
That's hotter.
Is it?
That's hotter. And if you have a little like rice, just put that on top.
Bro, and mine can't go to the edges.
It will make the roll stick
You gotta
better.
break it
Yours
up.
looks so
Yeah.
nice. Mine is smushed.
Everybody's
You gotta
doing
like pick
good.
it up. We should just have our we should have a YouTube channel like Housewives of
Yeah.
we should be drinking and talking.
Oh
shit.
Lord.
That would be funny.
Mm.
We'll give
That'd
them
be
the
very
jingle.
interesting.
They're gonna find us.
Right.
Yeah, it's sticky, right? Really sticky.
Did I do this right? Do I need to put it up more over here?
No, just spread up because I hate when they put too much rice.
Like-
It's okay if there's like a little space.
But not squished.
Mm-mm.
This is okay. It's too much space.
Maybe just spread little. Oh, maybe you might need more rice. You're right. So the California roll is crab meat, avocado, and cucumber.
What's that orange stuff?
This is the masago fish head. So this is a little longer, but that's okay. Sticks out good. I can cut it in half. So put
You
it in
just
the
eat
middle.
that piece.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, so just grab a piece of
Yeah, piece of crab meat, or if you want salmon, you can use salmon first. And then you put avocado.
And it's usually this thick.
Do you have a slicer? You cut it, or you bought it like this?
No, I cut it.
Did you cut it so well?
You gotta watch your YouTube channel.
For real, because
Okay. And
Yeah,
then you
the
got
avocado,
looking all
2, and then
jagged.
2 pieces?
yeah.
I'm so glad I can eat
Put 2 on the
avocado
side.
again.
Oh, you did it?
No, Alex is allergic, so when I had him, I absorbed his allergy. Yeah. I was eating
I
a-
never knew that.
I swear, I was eating a whole avocado a day, and
Oh my
I was
goodness.
having like respiratory issues, and I couldn't figure out why.
I didn't know that. So you knew he
Wow.
was allergic to avocado, right?
Yeah, because I was eating it one day, and it was around when he was like 5 months. So I just took like a tiny bit of my cookie and put it on his lip so I could taste it, and he instantly turned red like all over his mouth.
Wow.
More?
Yeah. I was like, oh.
How do you guys have all these allergies?
I know.
I would die.
Mm-hmm.
More?
What's that? Celery?
Cucumber.
That's what I'm gonna say.
I'm like,
You cut this.
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
oh, okay,
so
that's
we're gonna
it.
roll from the bottom.
Oh wait, there should be more in the middle.
You kind of have to press the ingredients down. And
Like tuck them in. Uh huh.
Yep, and then it's
Tuck
gotta
and
be
roll.
tight.
Tuck
Very
and roll.
tight. Roll all the way up.
Oh. We're not sharing with the husbands.
And it's good to have some rice there for like a glue.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
If you need more rice,
I
I have
would.
some.
Yeah,
If anybody wants
What
more.
if I just
I could put, yeah,
Wow.
maybe. Just grab it.
Just
Just
a
a
little
little
bit,
water? Will
okay.
the water help it glue?
Yeah, water helps too. But we don't want to use too much water on seaweed. It gets a little soggy.
Okay. So I thought you had to roll it up with the bamboo. You don't have to roll.
Yeah, you can do that too. So I got some bamboos, and you can just kind of like,
Oh,
yeah,
it's
form
forming.
it like a
Yeah.
body. But it's not necessary. I have 4.
Ooh, that really helped. I can't even see where the seam is. Yeah?
And then it
Great!
So they usually cut it into 8 pieces.
Okay.
It doesn't really matter, but
Oh, I
you
never
kind
knew
of cut
that.
it in like Oh no, maybe more than 8. It depends.
Really?
But maybe 10. Like this is the size.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
It depends like how you want the manicure.
Sure.
Yeah, are you sure? Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. I need my own.
Or knife.
Yeah, I'll just
Okay.
wash that one off when she's done.
So I give you yours.
When you cut it, mine gets kind of like.
Really?
Maybe you're pushing too hard.
yeah.
You gotta
Yeah, you gotta kind of go back and forth. Or
Okay,
it may
so
be, it might be knife. You wanna try this one?
Yeah, I'll try that one.
It
you.
might be knife.
Here you go.
That's better, right?
Yeah, and I don't think I was sliding as much. I think I was pushing more.
Oh, is that how that always happens? Whenever I see that on my plate.
Can we try one?
Of course.
I thought it was
Have
deliberate.
your-
Edible, right? Yeah.
Edible.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I have to send a picture to my mom.
And I have all these books.
You buy the children of that?
Yeah, I got this.
Dang, yours looks so nice.
You're so
You're
good.
like a pro over here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Look at my board compared to yours.
But I love it. I love it.
I love that. I want that on my gravestone. The embodiment. Okay.
Hold on, I want to take a picture of 5 of them up there.
Well, let's take a picture all together too.
Okay.
My camera.
How many seconds?
10. I can see. 그래서 4개를 이제 썰어보겠습니다. 첫 번째로 장어 소스. Did I?
Snap, snap.